Now let's see the another basic trigonometric functions, that will be the y is equal to cosecant of x. For this y is equal to cosecant of x, we have to draw the plot, whether it may be the odd function or the even function, also we have to check it. So here, first thing, how you can write this y is equal to cosecant of x? That will be the 1 divided by sin x, that will be equal to cosecant x, right? So what we have to do? First we have to draw the plot for the sin x. This was the y and this was for the x-axis, and here this will be the 0 and this will be the pi by 2 and this will be the pi and this will be the 3 pi by 2 and here this will be the 2 pi, and here also this will be the minus pi divided by 2, this will be the minus pi, this will be the minus 3 pi by 2 and here this will be the minus 2 pi. Here also, first thing, the the range, for the sign range be the minus 1 to 1, right? This will be the plus 1 and this will be the minus 1. So first thing what you have to do, you have to draw the line this. Okay, what will be the sign plot? So this was the sign plot. So this was the plot for the sign. Now what we have to do? We have to check for the asymptotes, right? Yes, check for the asymptotes. Now what we have to do? Put at t is equal to 0, what will happen? At x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, what will happen? 1 divided by sin 0. Sin 0 be the 0, 1 divided by 0 you will get an infinite. For example, if you check at pi by 2, what will happen? At pi by 2, what will happen? 1 divided by sin pi by 2, that will be equal to 1 divided by 1, you will get the 1. Okay, at the 0 you will get the infinite, at 0 1 you will get the asymptote, right? That means 0 0 2 4 6, that will be the even function or odd function, that will be the even, right? So here where you will get the infinite means at 0 you will get the infinite. Next, where you will get the infinite? At pi 0 1 2 at pi, and at next you will get it 2 pi, right? In this way you will get the asymptotes. At pi you will get the asymptotes, and next at 2 pi you will get the asymptotes, and here also at minus pi you will get the asymptotes, and here minus 2 pi also you will get the asymptotes. For this case, from this asymptotes concepts only, we can say whether the cosecant of x be the even function or the odd function. That means 0 here, 2 4, like that means that will be the even function. Hence y is equal to cosecant x be the even function. Okay, next thing, here at 0 how much you will get? You will get the infinite, right? At pi by 2 you will get the 1. So here this will be the 1, here it will come from the infinite. Okay, here also like this, and here this is also like this. Okay, now at minus pi by 2, at minus pi by 2 what you will get? You will get the minus 1. Okay, at Here this will become the minus infinite, right? From minus infinite it will come to the minus 1. Here also. Okay, so if you want to take the f of x is equal to, if you want to take f of x is equal to cosecant of x, so if you want to apply f of minus x, that is equal to cosecant of minus x. So here f of minus x, that will be equal to cosecant of x. So here you can observe f of x, that will be equal to f of minus x. This was our conclusion. So hence this cosecant of x be the even function. Even function. Okay, this was the plot for the cosecant of x. Now let's see the plot for the y is equal to last trigonometric function, that will be the cot x. What will happen? Next, be the y is equal to cot x. Y is equal to cot x. So how you can draw this plot? Here if you see, this will be an y and this be the x, and here this will be the 0, this be the pi by 2, this be the pi, and this be the 3 pi by 2, and here this will be the 2 pi, and here also this will be the minus pi by 2, and here this will be the minus pi, and here this will be the minus 3 pi by 2, and here this will be the minus 2 pi. Okay, so if you want to write the at 0, you will get what you will get? Cot x. You will get this will be an angle. You will get an infinite, right? And what will happen at pi by 4? You will get the 1. At pi by 2, you will get the 0. And next at 1, how much you will get? You will get the minus infinite. Okay. So here also you can observe at 0 only you will get the asymptote, right? That means at 0, next that be the pi, next that be the 2 pi. Here also that will be the minus pi, and here that will be the minus 2 pi. Here you can see at pi by 2, at 0 you will come from the infinite, at pi by 2 it will become the 0, like this. Okay, at minus pi by 2 also you will get the 0, and before it will come from the infinite, here is from the minus infinite. So this was the graph for the y is equal to cot x. In this way we can solve the graphs for the basic trigonometric functions. Okay, if you really like this video, please like my video as well as share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.